solve equation by completing the square. All right, very similar to the last one, just one more step towards the end to actually solve for our x. So let's take this. All right, so first thing you want to do is rewrite it by completing the square, like the directions say. Rewrite the equation by completing the square. And you can notice, actually, it wants you to write it with an equal sign and a number on the other side, okay? So let's do that. We're going to complete the square with a number on the other side. So in this case, we have x squared equals 6x plus 1. We want to leave our 1 by itself and move these 6x over. So what we get when we do that is x squared minus 6x equals 1. Now let's complete the square. Take our negative 6 divided by 2 and square it. Negative 3 squared is 9. So add 9 and add 9. This becomes x minus 3 squared, which equals 10. So we actually have the first part of our answer done. Let's go check it out. So yeah, here we go. So it's x minus 3 parenthesis squared, and it was what, equal to 10? Yeah, equal to 10. Equal 10. So that's the first part. Now we need to find the solution. So let's go back over here, and we're going to solve for x. The first thing we want to do is move this square to the other side. So we get x minus 3 equal to plus minus the square root of 10. And then we're going to add 3 to both sides. Plus 3 and plus 3. So x equals 3 plus minus the square root of 10. Which is... All right, do one more. All right, so same setup. Sometimes they want you to have it written differently. So we have a constant on both sides, or we have a constant on the other side of the equal sign. So I'm gonna move this negative 2 to the other side by adding 2. So x squared plus 16x space equals 11 plus 2, which is 13. Now to complete the square, we take 16, divide by 2, and square it. So 16 over 2 is 8. 8 squared is 64. So plus 64 plus 64. This becomes x plus 8 squared, which equals 77. That's the first part of the answer. So let's do that. Shift, I'm doing this upside down. X plus 8 squared equals 64, right? What was it? 77, actually. 77. Now, let's solve for x. So just like last time, first step is we got to square root both sides. So that cancels that off. X plus 8 is equal to the square root of 77, plus and minus.
Okay, or I see the custodian
and then we're going to subtract 8. So x is equal to negative 8 plus minus the square root of 77. Negative 8 plus minus 77. All right. And I'm done there.